Hi everyone, welcome to NuttX channel. Today I'll explain about a very useful feature for people working with I2C device on NuttX. That command is very similar to I2C tools from Linux. Using I2C tools on Linux, you can search for I2C device in the I2C Bus. So we have a similar command to use on NuttX for searching for some I2C device, like this light sensor here. So let's suppose I don't know yet the I2C address of this device, or I'm not sure if this device is working or damaged. So using that tool, I can verify if the I2C device address is available in the I2C bus, and this way I can confirm the device is working. So let's start. Open the Linux terminal, enter inside NuttX space, NuttX, execute make dist clean to clear previous configuration. Now we need to configure to use the STM32F4 Discover Board NSH profile. Execute tools configure.sh STM32F4 Discover NSH. Okay, now we can run make menu config to select the options to enable this I2C search feature. Enter inside system type, STM32 peripheral support, and enable I2C21. Exit again, enter inside device drivers, I2C support, and enable I2C character device. Now we can exit again, and go to application configuration, system libraries and NSH add-ons, and enable I2C tools. We don't need to change any of these options because it is already correctly configured. The full configuration is fine. Okay, now we can exit and save. Execute make to compile the source code. Okay, the source code was compiled. Now we can flash the firmware inside the board. Execute. Open OCD and pass the correct parameters to flash it inside the board. Okay, the firmware was flashed. Now we can execute minicon, reset the board, and let's see if the I2C device file was created. Okay, it was created. Now we can run the I2C bus, and as you can see, it detected the bus 1. Now we can search for the device in this bus 1. Execute I2C dev -b to bus 1, and the first address, for example 03, and the last address 77. Okay, as you can see, the I2C device address was detected at this position, at this address 44. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed to NuttX channel yet, please subscribe and also click in the bell icon to receive notifications when I post a new video. See you. Bye bye.